If you're comparing smart glass and smart film for a bathroom, shower, spa, or other high humidity space, the question isn't whether they work, it's which one is the better choice for your application. Both smart glass and smart film use the same PDLC technology to provide instant switchable privacy. Both can be installed in humid environments. The difference is in how they're built. Smart glass has the PDLC layer permanently laminated inside the glass, while smart film is applied directly to your existing glass, making it an ideal retrofit solution. However, smart film should not come in direct contact with water and should only be installed indoors. In high humidity spaces, protecting the active layer becomes critical. Because smart glass encapsulates the PDLC layer inside a laminated glass assembly, it's naturally better suited for demanding environments like showers, spas, and pool enclosures. Smart film can also be used successfully, but only when its edges and electrical components are properly protected during installation. Whichever system you choose, proper installation is essential. Seal all exposed edges with neutral cure, non-acidic silicone. Route electrical connections through the top of the frame whenever possible. Keep drainage paths clear, and locate transformers in a dry, ventilated area. These simple steps help ensure years of reliable performance. So, which is better for high humidity environments? If you're retrofitting existing glass that doesn't come into direct contact with water, smart film offers an elegant, cost-effective solution. If you're building a new shower enclosure or expect direct water exposure, laminated smart glass is the preferred choice. Both deliver instant privacy, abundant natural light, and a cleaner, more modern alternative to curtains and blinds when they're installed correctly.